All right guys, so today I'm going to be sharing a little tip that I've been using for years, and that's making your own little sifter for your wheelbarrow. So when you do landscaping around your house, you get some nice rock-free or debris-free dirt, so you can use it for small plants or anything like that. So in my case, I've been using this for about 6 years. I love it. It's a little old already. This wheelbarrow also, it's about 6 years old. It is plastic. It's already cracked in the middle, so I kind of like put a 2x4 under it just to finish this one project behind me. I did buy a new wheelbarrow, so I have to make a new one because it's a different size. I wanted to go with the metal one, but besides the point, this thing is absolutely awesome. You can make it or you can buy it online. I'll put the link below. And in this case, a 2x4 and some metal mesh that you could pick up at Lowe's or Home Depot works fantastic. And you could customize it to whatever wheelbarrow, or if you have a box or anything like that you want to use it on. It is a little bit of a workout, so you have to kind of like shake some of the dirt. We're gonna use some of the one back here, put it on the little sifter, and you'll see how nice it works. So I've been using it for years. I absolutely love it. And like I said, I live in the area where there's a lot of lime rock, so anytime I have to put a tree, or put some plants or anything like that, it's a pain because of all the rocks. So I get to filter out the dirt and reuse it. Dirt's expensive, so if you have to pay to get rid of it and then you have to go out and buy some new one, I've been reusing my dirt for many years, and it works fantastic. So with that said, guys, let's get to it, and don't forget to subscribe. All right, so this is the filtered dirt, so it's so much easier to work with, nice and clean. All right. All right, so this particular wheelbarrow has, the wider front and the back. So if I leave it like this, it has less actual travel. And I lift it up in the back a little bit, so now I could basically do this and get, more action out of it. So it gets clean much faster. So let's go ahead and show you how it's done. All right, so this is the dirt that I'm talking about. So you got these big rocks, more rocks here, some other roots and things of that nature. So I kind of want to filter out even this size of rock right here. So we're gonna go ahead and put a couple shovels on there, and you can so I can show you how easily it cleans it up. All right, let's go ahead and add some dirt. This is the actual dirt that came out of the little island here that I've been putting here to do the landscaping. So I've been getting it from other projects that I've done throughout the house. Now I go ahead and shake it. And look at all the debris. You could also grab it from the front. No rocks, and everything is here. Yeah, see this size rocks. And there we go. Alright guys, a quick little tour of my project here. I used to have all this full of ferns, and some reason has some issues, and some of them died. So now we're with a new endeavor here. So I had to recycle a lot of the dirt that was here. Been piling up, as you can see here. Some have some rocks and things. So definitely I love my little sifter. It works fantastic. Alright guys, so let's go over up close this little jig here. All right, so these two metal pieces, you could probably buy a bigger one and have access if you wanted to for any other projects. So put a couple of little tie wraps right here, some screws or something. 2x4s, very simple. So you have to measure your wheelbarrow side to side, front and back in this case. Mine's is a little bit wider up front. Other than that, it's very simple, and it works amazing. As you can see, much cleaner dirt, much better to work with. I absolutely love it. So, you know, in my case, you know, there's some more there full of rocks. Again, scraping everything, trying to level everything out. So it makes my life a lot easier. So I use it for multiple projects. You know, we just fixed the sidewalk, working on that video right now. Same thing, we took out the sidewalk. A friend of mine came with a bobcat, and we pulled it out, cut it in a piece. It was lifted like about 9 inches in this section here. As you can see, maybe there's a crack right there. So that's another project that we just, you know, we're about to finish. I gotta do a little bit more leveling, and you know, as you can see, the roots over there, absolutely horrible. They were actually under the sidewalk. So another project, some of the dirt right there, I'm gonna push it under it so it works really nice. As you can see, a bunch of rocks over there. So, you know, cleaned it out. I gotta, you know, filter that section too, take out that dirt, you know, and then we'll have nice clean dirt like that. So, but little project's coming up pretty nice. All right guys, so I hope it helps, and I really enjoy it. So if you want to buy something like that, you know, if you have any questions, comments, put them down below. Don't forget to you know, hit me up with a like, and don't forget to subscribe.